Okay. Ang iyang kantaon, Lupang Hinirang. Sir, okay na sir? Atong pagbigyan.
Chances.
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 Yes, sir. Mag-extend. Chances lang.
Yes.
Mag-a-give chance. Kabalo nga ako sa'yo, diferensya na akong duha. Si sir, gwapong tao, ikaw, gwapong tingog. Ako, dili gwapong tingog, pero uso ko. Anyway,
Muna ka sa pinapatulog ko rin.
uso. So, we're still waiting for the magic sing na ginaset up.
Yes. Ipagbigyan ni sir.
Kaya nga, sa anak kita mag-video kita, tagaan mo tulong na kanta. So, isa naman to, so napay duha.
Baligin sila.
Oo. Sometime, okay. While waiting, again, we would like to thank everyone who are here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much to Sir Ronnie Luma
For making it so successful. Thank you for the sponsor, Mr. Alvin Vidaure. Thank you, sir.
to the Dream Circuit Boys.
Dream Circuits.
Thank
Sa
you.
taas, sa Juan, taga Bernardo.
Oh.
Bernardo, Classical High School.
Sila reunion karong November.
What's one? So, narinig.
Bernardo Campus School. Reunion sila.
So, nana? Excited naman ko. Thank you sa Juan, ato ang mga office mates na igawas. Nagawas kayo para mo support.
Para mo tanaw siya mo ha.
Para matanaw po sa atuan, di ba? Oh. Sa mga gwapo nga host. Nakita na? Okay. Okay.
So, ladies and gentlemen,
Again.
another song by
Again.
Mr. Russell and Silver of Air Supply. I Can't Let Go.
Looking that needs your finger. I want you always to remember. Oh, want you to be part of my dream. I'm so lonely here without you. I was so cold, just like a statue. Oh, being with you has made me complete. I can feel your love intense inside me. I can hear you whisper when you want to stay close to me. Every day and every night, I never thought your love could feel so right. Every day and through the night, let me be the one to hold you tight. I can't let go. I can't let go. I can't let go. You're part of me. Don't you know? Won't you give me just a lifetime? I stand beside you through the years and down and down. Nothing at all can stand in our way. I can feel your answer deep inside me. I can hear you whisper when you want to stay close to me. Every day and every night, I never thought your love could feel so right. Every day and through the night, let me be the one to hold you tight. I can't
Okay. Basketball guys, okay. Thank you so much for, sir, salamat kayo, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations. Ang lucky charm ni sir, nagpaitom na siya hook.
So, Roy, ang token sa itong contestants, masig, hindi mo sila asa na ako. So, claim it to
Ma'am Judy.
Ma'am Judy.
So, sila lang yung
wow.
charge. So, thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.
For
Thank you,
joining
sir.
our contestants.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta sa Encore dahil walang sawa pong pagsuporta at pagmamahal niyo binibigay dito sa
The show has been very successful.
Yeah. And I would like to thank everyone to our sa ating mga sponsors, Extreme and Extremes and the Dream Circuit for helping us here for the sound system.
So, sa Panasonic for our video coverage.
Ito kayo.
And for Ferdinand.
So, this has
Photo
been,
coverage.
Roy has been your host and
And this
Alfred.
has been your
Host, Alfred and Roy.
Roy. The Copings. Wala lang isa.
So, thank you so much and good afternoon to everyone.